Hold on tight. Look at bunch of rocks. Just the way we went before? No, it was up there. Chain might have fell off and started to. Needs to be tightened up before we lose it. Your dad's not here?
Yeah, he left. My dad's not here.
That's why your dad's here.
Hey, he left.
Where'd he go?
He left.
The van's here and the car.
No. Take the light.
Oh yeah. Huh? They were all here.
Woo! That was fun. I was recording. I remember, look, I got this from JD, didn't I?
Yep.
Hey, look, I was recording the whole live.
Hold on. Get your arm around here. Yeah. I would take you down, jump that off those steps if I had more room. Chain's real loose. I need to tighten it up.
Chain's real loose.
All them puppies are out. break. That's silly. What do you want me to do? Fix you? You got plenty, dude. You got plenty. You have plenty.
Woo.
You're pushing me off.
I am?
Yeah. You better get your butts in there.
Ah, so fun.
Shitting all over my shit. They belong up there. Yeah. They're climbing up and over Blue's car. What's the other one? Oh, they're what? They're outside. Everyone's turn too. That truck's in the way. We can't ride the wheelies and stuff no more. He's in the way. No way to do it. It's in the way. You hear Reese back there? Dude, I'm crazy. Everybody wants to get out of the way now. Calm your asses down, huh? Should we get out the other one now? Get out the other bike? No. Okay, back, turn.
That was fun. We need to get out the other bike. Change this. That was fun though. This is the box we're using.
It's a two-stroke.
Two-stroke. Because the other one has the chain's loose.
Oh, we got 4 of them.
There's 2 more in there. There's 2 more in there. Yeah. I got a bigger one
I've
in
got
there.
trails for days, dude. All we gotta do is go out there. It kind of looks like bit of brush on some of the trails, but for the most part, they're down on the grass and everything.
I was
Nice.
recording.
It works really well.
Let me get up! Let me get
I'll try and check this part later. There's 2 more in there, go look. Alright. There's a little baby one and a big one. See the baby one behind the toolbox? I bought that one for Chris before he was even born. I've had it for like 10 years. Something wrong with this one. You don't want to run that. What? She's too loud. She wakes up the neighborhood.